Good morning everybody and welcome to today's video. I am preparing to go to Oregon today and my first stop is going to be Cannon Beach. I am so excited to bring you along with me. Let's do this. Anyone who knows me knows that I love to fly. In another life, I think I might have been a pilot. But this view is exactly the reason why. And then there's this view. It just amazes me that we can hover above the clouds this way. And here I am, coming into the Portland airport. Just magical. This is Cannon Beach, and we are in a place where it is currently called King Tides. The tide is so high it's called King Tides. We can't even go out on the beach today because it's too high. Wow. Just love the sound of the waves wafting up on the shore. I love it when you drive through a beach town and you go up and down the streets, and it is most amazing to me when you find a street just like this. It looks straight down to the water. Love that. We are now headed into town because we want to take a closer look at Haystack Rock and also because we're going to get some dinner.
Yeah, so like when you guys took that picture, there was a ton of beach. No beach.
Can you say no beach? All rock, no beach.
We'll walk all that way.
And here I got a couple of images of my daughter, granddaughter, son, and daughter-in-law as we just walked on the sand just to get that feeling under our feet. Did I mention that the smell of the ocean is so enticing? If you've been near an ocean, you know this, but this particular day it was just enchanting. We left the beach and walked towards Public Coast Brewing Company. We noticed that crocuses are coming up everywhere. We even spied some daffodils as we walked along the roadside. Everything was delicious at lunch. I can highly recommend Public Coast. The menu is divine. And then after dinner, we strolled back through town towards Bruce's Candy Company, and this place is just a dream. Take a look for yourself. After we picked up some delicious treats from Bruce's Candy Kitchen, we walked back to the car and found these wild bunnies just feasting on some grass on this lawn. They were not afraid of anybody. And then we headed back towards Portland. Thanks for joining me in Cannon Beach. I can't wait to see you in the next one. See you then. Bye.